I'll be adding salt. That's the cow tongue I just finished cleaning. Adding salt, and I'll leave it to steam. Leave it to steam for a while before adding water, so that the cow tongue will have taste, flavor before I add water. So I'll be adding water. Like I have enough water to start the cooking. Cover it to boil. I'll be adding the stockfish, snail, and dry fish to the water. I'll add more water so that the soup will not be too dry. Now this is a cocoyam soup, so you don't need it to be too dry. This is crayfish. I added palm oil to the cooking. The video off. I added it late. So that's it. Palm oil. I'll be panning it. Cover it to boil. This is the ogiri. Added the ogiri. This is ede and ogiri. This camera is giving me problem. I couldn't film where I was adding this is cocoyam, also known as ede, then ogiri. It's also known as locust beans, the native seed. So I'm going to cover it so it helps to thicken the soup before I add the leaf. So it's time for me to add the leaf. I'll be using Afang, that's okazi, and oha leaf to cook. This is Ofe Owerri. See, the soup is now thick.